Well, hello, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Mary Burleson, and I love helping people. I love helping people look and feel their best. You know, as we age, we don't have to struggle with low energy, feeling bloated all the time, joints aching. We don't have to. And I'm here to share with you some testimonials of some of my clients that have had amazing results. And I'm here to help you have amazing results too. Now, as you listen in, I want you to think about, who do you know that would benefit from this? Who does this sound like? Oh, that sounds like my friend, my neighbor, my aunt, my sister, my mom. Send them this video and find me on Facebook, would you? And message me and say, oh my gosh, I love that testimony. I'd love to hear from you. So hey, and remember, all results are different. All results are different, okay? So you can have 1,000 people do the same thing and you're gonna get 1,000 different results. Just remember that. And there's no guarantees. And I'm not prescribing or telling you anything that can heal, or like, I'm not a doctor, okay? I'm not God. So all of that. And just remember that all results are different. But if you start with someone that cares and loves and helping people, then you're light years ahead, okay? So the first testimony is from my friend Lori. I started my reset just 2.5 weeks ago, and already I see a huge difference. Feeling fat, bloated, and not motivated. Now, I didn't say that, she said that. I decided that I needed to do something to return to my normal self and better health. I had let myself balloon 40 pounds over my normal weight. Do you know of anyone that has done that? I am normally a size 10, but after COVID, I slipped to a size 12. And I even bought a pair of size 14 jeans because I didn't fit into any of my other clothes. Oh. It got to a point where I could not fit into any of my pants at all. Thank goodness for I live in Florida and I can wear sundresses. Well, sundresses are very forgiving, right? However, as the weather got colder, and we did have a cold winter this year, and sweatpants would not work, they would not cut it for work, I needed to do something huge. I had met Mary years ago, but recently saw her on Facebook. She was talking about gut health, and she was talking about a healthy reset and managing your weight in a very healthy way. I decided to go for it, and I knew that I could no longer count on my top food groups of wine and chocolate. Those were her words. But I did need something that tastes great. Also, Mary asked me to take measurements. She wanted me to take measurements, and I ask all my clients to do that, as well as my weight, to write my weight down, and to take a before and after. Well, after just 2.5 weeks, I had lost 10 pounds. But the biggest difference was my body. I had lost 4 inches in my waist and now fit into my jeans with room to move and breathe. I had not cheated and am also quite limited because I only eat fish and veggies. She doesn't eat red meat or chicken. I don't feel like I'm missing out because I replaced my wine and so many other drinks and my chocolates with nut butters. I'm not hungry, and I still eat dinner the same way I always have. The Friday after Valentine's Day is my last day of my 30-day reset. So this was back in February. And I hope to be down another size. But if not, I am so happy that I feel less bloated and I have more energy. I can't believe how bloated I was and how less puffy I am now. And by the way, I have tried everything to lose weight and nothing was working. Aww. She goes on to say, I have a thyroid issue and have been on medication for years. And I'm so happy to have found something that works and is not difficult for me to do. I even bring my powder packets, those are the little fizzies, when going out to dinner, and I ask for a wine glass and water, pour my fizzy in it, and while everyone else is enjoying their wine, I have my beverage too. You know, sometimes we just have to make just a few tweaks in our patterns, don't we? She goes on to say, thanks, Mary, for providing great recipes and for these shakes and powder packets. I love them. Wow. Love that. Love that. My friend Lisa says, after 1 week, I was down 7 pounds and my husband was down 4. I just want to say a little bit about this new program. We love it. I started it because we were having some gut issues. But we are learning to live a healthier lifestyle and what it means to live feeling good and nourished. We are nourishing our bodies in a healthier way, and we just want to thank Mary. I love that. We want to thank her for all of her nutrition advice, and I am down 7 pounds, and I'm so thrilled. She actually went on to lose like another 10. She actually has done extremely well. Good job, Lisa. So super excited about that. She says, I'm not hungry at all. I have done other programs, and I feel good on this program, and I love it. So good for her. Super excited about that. So who do you know that's struggling with gut issues? You know, her husband had a lot of gut issues prior to this. He didn't really need to lose a lot of weight. But, oh my gosh, the results that he had with his gut. You know, sometimes it's the foods that we're eating. Sometimes it's we just need more probiotic or digestive enzyme. So all of that can sometimes be so debilitating. So my friend Amy, oh, this is what she says. I was so inflamed. I had foggy thinking. My joints were achy. I wasn't sleeping well. All the signs that I was nutrient deprived. And sometimes, see, we don't realize we're nutrient deprived. She says, that was me. I needed to manage my weight. I was so tired of being tired all the time. Have you felt that way? Do you know anyone that's tired all the time? I wanted to feel good again, she says. I was ready for a change that would stick with me forever. Because I am down 20 pounds. And it was pure inflammation. And I feel so much better. Wow. And then Christy says, I was so addicted to sugar. Do you know anyone addicted to sugar? And Diet Coke. Oh my gosh. I was very puffy. My knees hurt. I craved a daily 20-minute power nap every single day. Are you someone that has to have a power nap every single day? My jeans were way too tight and I got very creative in hiding in photos. Are you one of those that has to hide in photos with your family? She said, I lost 25 pounds in about 4 months. So not fast, just a nice, reasonable weight. But what did I gain, she says? Energy, time, a healthy gut, smaller jeans, and most importantly, confidence. Wow. Yes, when we feel better, we have confidence. We certainly do. We certainly do. And Alicia says, have you ever woken up after sleeping 8 to 10 hours completely exhausted? Have you ever woken up after 8 to 10 hours feeling completely exhausted? Had no self-confidence, to take pictures. Here's another one. She never wanted to take pictures with her kids because of the way she looked and how bad her skin was. Aww. This was me. Until I decided I had enough. I had enough. My health was no longer put on the back burner. It was a priority. Now, almost 30 pounds down. Energy to do the things I needed to do in living a healthier lifestyle, not just for me, but for my kids. Wow.